First, the top news headlines. Discuss issue on final leg of Indo-Naga peace process with public demands, MDA. Indian Army destroys 4 terror launch pads in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, report says. And councillor of Yairipok Municipal Council goes missing. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Haripriya Tonggram giving you the news in details. Convener of Manipur Democratic Alliance, M. Tombi, today said that, keeping in view of the latest development concerning the Indo-Naga peace talks, the state government must discuss the issue with the public rather than taking up the issue with Delhi. He was talking to media at the Chief Sena office located at Babupara, Imphal, where leaders of various political parties under MDA were present. Further, M. Tombi said the upcoming peace deal is welcome, but the party will not remain mum if the outcome harms the territorial integrity of the state. He also expressed concern over the prevailing situation in the state where ILP and CAB issues are yet to be resolved. Tombi also underlined the need for convening an all-party meeting by the Chief Minister to discuss the issues.
Punna akoi chaminaba punna khanaba akoi amato ibo khalam da akoi iramdam sikan minamna chungune na khale amana amada blame tongno bukana roy aruga nagagi NSN gi husiki waro sinama 31st akoi gi handaki kanose sta purakane habase masidi yamna phai makoi bu afaba aduga nungaiba yaifaba community mu oinaba aduga mohoi gi Taliban demand sing adu da makoi chakut sanana mohona bada makoi ki pharna mohona bada akoi Manipur Democratic Alliance ki magi de Shiv Sena ki magi de Manipur ki miyam ki magi de di ayet pele roen khale adu makoi ki pharna mohona bada makoi bu nungai na mohona bada Manipur da khunda le ta min ri ba purup kang punna maki tongan ba sentiment sokada ba thabte state of the central government sin to windra ba Manipur Democratic Alliance ki magi de masi hanna appeal tawjare.
On the other hand, convener of MDA, K. Khagendra, said that the upcoming final leg of the Indo-Naga peace talks is a great move, but public fear has emerged once again since no one knows what will be the exact outcome of final settlement of the Indo-Naga peace process.
Lakadu puti karino hakanda aikoi inland pamisi 1950 gi November 3 Himmat singa lok mi pose masi yam controversial over poni mana ngasai gi matam mamada Assam gi governor gi advisor to Assam governor na haidi ba pamit ase ning thogi darban ron mo dumuk chathabi yani haiduna koi 1950 gi item November sig mamang bok chanar mine adu suddenly haidi ba Manipur gi matam gi chief commissioner ba Himmat singa e police to gi ba se masi yam controversial habni oi haibasi akoi gi Manipur Democratic Alliance ki mafam dagi Tamjage, Luena Masida quick legal deciding Tobia Bra Habase, a question ki, but so just can have one Tamjage.
Chief Minister N. Biren today left for Delhi to discuss the new developments surrounding the Indo-Naga peace talks with the central leadership, sources said. Meanwhile, against the backdrop of the developments surrounding the Indo-Naga peace talks, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren has alerted the state police force to remain alert, according to official sources. It is worth mentioning that Naga talk interlocutor R.N. Ravi has given assurance to bring the must-talk final solution to the protracted Naga political problem within this month. However, reports said that with the 3-month time frame given by the government of India to conclude the 22-years-old Naga peace process, there appears to be a stalemate over the conclusion of the talks with the Indonesian IM firm on their demand for a separate Naga constitution and flag. As a part of the ongoing public alert campaign with regard to Indo-Naga peace process, the United Committee Manipur UCM has prepared to take up different modes of mass protest from October 21. It has been reported in media that a final agreement may be signed between the Government of India and Naga militant groups on October 31st. It may be noted that the Manipur civil society has repeatedly told Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well as interlocutor R.N. Ravi, who is also the governor of Nagaland, that the integrity of Manipur should be left untouched in the peace deal. On the other hand, the ruling BJP in Manipur held a meeting today which resolved to pressurize the centre that the final solution to Indo-Naga peace talks should not affect the state's integrity at any cost. The meeting chaired by Chief Minister N. Biren discussed thoroughly about the ongoing Naga peace talks process, for which the centre has announced to reach a final agreement on 31st October. The meeting took serious note of the statement of Naga peace talks interlocutor R.N. Ravi through media that the final settlement will be brought on October 31st. The government will not allow to disintegrate while resolving the Naga issue, the meeting resolved, sources said. 4 terror launch pads in Neelam Valley in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir have been targeted and destroyed by the Indian Army, media reports said, quoting sources. Fatalities have also been reported. Indian Army has launched attacks on terrorist camps situated inside Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, POK, opposite the Tangdar sector. Indian Army used artillery guns to target the terrorist camps, which have been actively trying to push terrorists into Indian territory. Indian Army has caused heavy damage there. Heavy weapons have been used by the army. This came after 2 Indian soldiers have a civilian were killed and Pakistani troops violated ceasefire in Tangar sector of Jammu and Kashmir, Kupwara district on Sunday. A house and a rice godown were completely damaged. 2 cars damaged and 2 cow shelters with 19 cattle sheep inside destroyed. According to locals, maximum damage has been done in Chitrakut village, with 6 houses have been destroyed in Pakistani firing. According to a statement by the Indian Army, Indian forces caused heavy damages and casualty to Pakistan after 2 Indian soldiers and 1 civilian were killed in ceasefire violation by Pakistan Army in Tangdar sector, Jammu and Kashmir today. Councillor of Yairipok Municipal Council, Ward number 8, Konjengbam Ito Singh has gone missing since yesterday. He left home to visit a bank at Yairipok last morning. His wife Konjengbam Premlata Devi today reported the missing and Yairipok police has filed a report. Konjengbam Ito Singh, age 58, is a resident of Yairipok, Kekrumaka, Gwaro Klerok. Ito's whereabouts are still unknown since he left home around 11 a.m. in his Dio scooter to visit Manipur Rural Bank at Yairipok Bazaar, family sources said. Women folk and residents of Gwaro Klerok stake a sit-in protest at the residential gate of the missing councillor and also at Kekrumaka Meira Paibi Sanglen, demanding the authority to find his whereabouts. The protester held placards that read, "We condemn abduction of councillor, stop terrorizing people," etc. It may be mentioned that Ito, along with 4 other councillors, had recently joined BJP.
Jaibok MRB da Chachibani, Adu Jaibok Teginang, Sigi, Jaibok Bazadagina, Sigi, Jaibok Kubo, Gimapamita, Kanago Kana, Mark Park at Hina Paupire, Adu Koina, Kayuka, no have a team of the Hotipo Market phone number, Musu, Market like a Marimapunka, the Kandre, Maramaduna, Adila, Nevananta, Marvel from the TV. I don't know if I can tell you.
Unknown armed miscreants suspected to be an Asian launched an attack on 40 Assam Rifles decoy camp located at Chenloisho village under Mon district of Nagaland in the wee hours today. According to media reports, some civilians were injured as they were hit by stray bullets in the incident. Later, on conducting a spot investigation by security forces, 75 empty cases of bullets were recovered from the site. Locals of East Bongjang village held a protest rally today at Mafogdam area against the state government's order to re-engage retired Chief Engineer of Water Resource Department G. Robindra Sarma. Village Chief Let Komang Kongsait condemned the state government's move. He said the Manipur High Court recently issued an order against the service extension order of Robindra. He appealed the state government to act without biasness.
Jingtam haibasi Manipur da liribasi jingdana naga kuki ni tamdana meitei ga pangan gani jingtam amatani haibase lenga mapusing na jingtam amatagi saktam du puthok binaba pungning singsinjari G. Robindra Sarma haibase lerkhumang isamakna high court ta case tawdana single bench division bench ani makna order tagrabani adu makpo court na order tana hanjan lenga mapusing na sangtok na batobase Jingmi khoi na khara penjade adu kisu mathakta chief engineer haibase G. Robindra Sarma ma khatan oining banate jingi di hantak khoi na phangba yabase chance yamna tangna phangjabane aduna masigi tanja sida jingmi ama oina G. Robindra bo sangtokpa haiba se lenga mapusing na tobidanaba hanna pungning chingsinjari.
The protesters burned effigy of former Chief Engineer G. Robindra Sarma and shouted slogans against him.
G. Robindra! Down! Manipur Sarkar na! Manipur Sarkar na! G. Robindra!
Now we have a short commercial break. Coming up next, one-day literary festival on the theme Laklo Ekhoi Pulasi held at Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Hall, Babupara, Jiribam. Welcome back. A one-day literary festival on the theme Laklo Ekhoi Pulasi was held today at Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Hall, Babupara, Jiribam. The festival was conducted by Manipuri Sahitya Parishad, Jiribam in association with Manipuri Short Story Society, India. Adaksha of Jiribam, K.H. Janaki Devi, President of Manipuri Sahitya Parishad, Jiribam, S. Khogendra Singh, Pradhan of Divong Gram Panchayat, R.K. Novinsana, Vice President, Manipuri Short Story Society, India, Lisam Gulab Singh, are among others who attended the event as main guests. Addressing the occasion, K.H. Janaki Devi said that Sahitya Parishad plays an important role in promoting literature in the society. She affirmed that she will extend support in establishing a permanent office of Sahitya Parishad at Jiribam.
Larik sina taba ekoi sangba koi potha na koi parami larik parami ekoi school ki magazine ki secretary ai sama koi rami matama da aduna sari mare kya phongala ka koi na magazine do ngasi di madu ekoi yamna usalakre mangzala e na ina haningi.
On the other hand, A.S. Khogendra underlined the importance of the event, justifying that literature is considered as the mirror of a society. He also maintained that knowing our own mother tongue is much if we have to preserve the language. The event was also attended by several writers from Imphal, Kasar, Hojai and Jaribond. The festival highlighted poetry recitation, essay and short stories narration alongside a book written by a Susila titled Irol Nungda was also released. A man reportedly committed suicide by slitting his throat in Churachandpur district last evening. As per reports, the deceased has been identified as Thangkhogin Khonsai, aged 28 years, son of late Dengkolal Khonsai of Lajau village, Sapomaina, Kangpokpi district. Reports said that the deceased was a mentally retarded individual and was under medical treatment. It has been informed that the Hill Leaders Day and Miyamgi Numit for the month of October 2019 scheduled to be held together on October 22nd at Chief Minister Secretariat has been postponed due to unavoidable circumstances, an official release informed today. The date for the same will be notified soon, the release added. Assam Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Kamrup district held its 32nd annual meeting at Sri Sri Hari Mandir Mandap, located in Patarkuchi, Beltola, Guwahati. Editor of Ichema, Dr. Furit Sabam Biramani, also attended the meeting as moderator. Later, artists of National Theatre Assam performed to Sumanglila plays titled Awai Beningtha and Gadhanami Onba to mark the occasion.
Committee is a successful committee. See a pay Jahi, a home last Sahi home Sida, Kamu district committee, the Panko Kipa, Lam Bohadi City and the Lam Lauraga, Lamdo, the Laptopa, the Latopus exam, the Drapo, the Palak, they take in the Pan Changi. Maintenance Kakatana, Lagomalising Changi. Nasi Mayam support lagi, Mayam Gikit Padagi, si committee sing Sida, Tamanway of Kunduk Sari, from some Tom TV Nasika Laktana, or rest of the Tagatsari.
Chief Engineer of Rural Engineering Department, T.H. Nandakishore, said that the ongoing improvement work on 103-kilometer long road connecting Sirui and Kachau Pung under the PMGSY will be completed by March next year. He told this to media today at RED office in Secure Complex, North AOC Imphal. The press meet was also attended by Additional Chief Engineer C.H. Janaki. Nandakeshwar further said the work has 8 phases and out of which 2 phases have already been completed.
Mathang thada, mathang haptada koi NIT torani yam thuna koi November thamu the wow the piraga March ho le March April May ho le working season je si manung de koi ngasai sem ya ba singani tor kuli do ahama kakpade de mai tok de foot kun pa kolam bi ne ba jaga do sahi manga turuk su je sum nan dharak aduga akoi I yogi resida Shaktiman sing chala hutpadi sun nakan se sun pichin game ne ado andaki stage 2 work to physics subsana ko semjar kan dren hapakani aduga paktho halakani kari to ga ge ko chala yang jagni.
Popular bakery of the state, Likla Bakery, a unit of Thangzam Agro Industries, opened a new exclusive outlet at Nambol Bazaar today. Inaugurating the outlet, Managing Director of Thangzam Agro Industries, Thangzam Joykumar Singh said that the outlet will provide different Likla Bakery products to Nambol residents very easily, besides employment opportunities to many individuals.
Puthok chari por sing ase atoba makha ta ba ole ching hangto eraga akhoi gi mafam da small town ching da puchalaga mafam da leiba mi sing da khudong chawa khoi pijar kani ado sigumba item sing da natana atopa pot mayama masu puthok bagi Likla gi pandam thamjari.
Federation of Haumi Dulalan today expressed displeasure over erecting Anglo Kuki War memorial stones at various Kuki inhabited areas of Manipur. It said the move is totally against the state government's order. In a press release today, the Federation appealed to the state government to act according to the order issued earlier. Further, the Federation of the Haumi set October 30 as a deadline to the government to settle the matter.
Naga tribes, Naga tribes, other tribes, and their leaders, and our Meitei kindred also, we want to appeal that whether we like it or not, we are Hau, we are Nahutpa people, we are Nagas, our blood, the blood in our vein is Nagas. Maybe our Meitei kindred has been painted with the word Manipuri, the Aryan name, but the blood of Meiteis are not Aryans, they are Mongolid. And every of our elders and sisters told us that Meiteis are the descendants of the surrounding Jinshan Hau Naga tribes. It is very much correct. And everybody heard about it. We want to appeal to all Naga tribes leaders, Meitei leaders also, that to rectify this name at the earliest. We will do a lot of good things for rectification to save this land which we have been handed down by forefathers. At present, now we indigenous people are outnumbered by the outsiders, and after the arrival of train, after 50 years, 100 years, we all will be vanished in the deep blue sea of population invasion from outside, like the Tripuris in Tripura.
The Akhil Bharatiya Marwari Mahila Sammelan Hojai branch has installed manual sanitary napkin vending machines at 2 girls' schools in Assam's Hojai district. The initiative is a bid to provide relief from menstruation problems to girls during school hours. The 2 schools where the machines are installed are Desvandu Vidyapit Girls High School and Abdul Hasib Girls High School. This is the first time that such sanitary pad vending machines are installed in schools in Hojai. Another short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Furup amagi mangtharaklaba loan fijet leiting chatnabi lining laison singbu yokhatuna thamnabagi pandamda sinjariba marirak suba mitei janu malia phampal chakum sing lising ohum ga chamri tara tareki aroi ka changi lakliba chaichat october gi tangkun nomaijing numit ki nungthal pungmari taba matamda Manipur Trade and Expo Center Lamboi Khongnang khongda pangthok jaragani suknagi lupa chahum piba ticket amamam tang lobiduna thoram asibo meeting pabiyo amadi pung phan biyo haina sinja langjariba lining Sanamahi Sanapungi Maikaidagi Paujenjari.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lagpa sida makhal kaya graba ima singna set payaba inbayaba fizol khudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasi maglengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom Moirangkhom Sogaizam Lairak Machin natraga aikhoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Welcome back, and now we have sports news. A 15-day Imphal West District 7 Airside Village Men's Open Football Tournament 2019 organized by Imphal West Students Club Khumbong was kicked off at the club ground today. Publisher of the Sangai Express, Nisikant Singh Sapam, captain of 5th Jammu and Kashmir Rifles Sabu Attorney and president of IWSC Oinam Samarendra Singh were present during the opening of the tournament. Secretary of the club, Atom Samarendra, said that the tournament will give a platform and exposures for the players of Khumbong and the surrounding areas.
Maruina khoi ngasi tournament si sinbagi gi pandam di koi field si da koi player mayam lei madu mo khoi gi talent sing asi exposure gi facility ma adu gi platform ma pina ba amadi khoi gi competition gi port asi mo khoi da adu gi inculcate tawna bagi pandam da koi pangthok jabani.
A total of 17 teams are participating in the tournament. The opening match was played between NSU Awang Pot Sangbam and LLYC Sagolbantera. A trial cum selection for the 8th National Traditional Wrestling Championship 2019 to be held at ALB Indoor Stadium, Hyderabad, Telangana from November 21 to 24 was conducted at Ibudo Sorarel Community Hall at Taubul of Bishnupur district today. The event was attended by President of the Association T.H. Norendro, Vice President T.H. Udoichan, Secretary C.H. Bohal, founder of International Kung Fu Kickboxing India, R.K. Vorot, and former President of Amuko Waimani. The 35th and Hazari and Dr. Anton B. State Polo Tournament 2019 has started at Mapal Kangjebung, Imphal today. Deputy Chairman of State Planning Board S. Rajan, President of Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association H. Dilip, and Dr. Monica Naurim were the main guests at the opening tournament organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. In the opening match today, Paradise Polo Club defeated Samadon A by 8-5. X Polo Club will take on MMRSB tomorrow in the first round, while Chinkai Hunba B will clash with IRCB in the second round. In the Waku India National Kickboxing Championship 2018-19 held at Maharana Pratap Sports College, Dehradun, Uttarakhand from October 17 to 30, Manipur team has yet again brought laurels to the state. Nongmaitem Neeraj won a gold medal in the sub-junior 47 kg point fighting, while Ningthauzam Lingjen Thoiba back a gold in the 32 kg sub-junior point fighting. Thokchom Nikhil won a silver medal in 30 kg sub-junior kick light. On the other hand, Chirom Lingjel Thoibi, Pungsungbam, Abinas, Ludrao Luang, Wahingbam and Kundrakpam Lawrence won a bronze medal each in the championship. Pikathon Day was observed at the Sai Field, Guwahati today. Empowering women run in 5 countries and 50 cities Pikathon is India's biggest women's run, which is created with the objective of spreading awareness about women's health-related issues, breast cancer in particular. Through the Pikathon, women are encouraged to adopt health and fitness in their daily lifestyle by means of running. It is a unique initiative which works with one simple underlying theme: empower women will, by example, inspire and empower other women. It encourages women from all walks of life and all age groups and socioeconomic backgrounds who have probably never participated in a sporting event before to take their first steps to a healthier life.
Since last 3 years, I have been participating in Pinkathon run as well as in the officiating also. It's quite good to see all of us here. The Pamjalaga Laiba, Duga Karimba family, confined to Ragama Thokpa Ngamdaba, Moishigum Mayamse Aquina, awareness Samapuraga Mokoibu, Mayam give among the Putoga, Masama Tomtegu in a self empowerment awareness Samakwin Muda Tambiba, Dugi, message Piven Pinkathon through the Gi Aduga cancer, Karmaitogna, breast cancer, Nupigiam Kamanova, I sama breast cancer survivor. Adu Pinkathon Yawdagi awareness is Hengale, Duga fitness labagi, Wakansu, Cantoredo, Hengale, do I Pinkathon Yawdagi, Samasu run away, Duga Pinkathon Gimamanga, I walked cross to Bungam de Soro, Adu Huzite run to Busungam, Adukimatic fitness, La Pinkathon Dagi.
Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Discuss issue on final leg of Indo-Naga peace process with public demands, says MDA. Indian Army destroys 4 terror launch pads in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, report says. Councillor of Yairipok Municipal Council goes missing. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.